Hey again, it's Deborah James, the Wellness RN for you. And I hope you are doing well with all that's going on in the world right now. There's a lot happening, and it can be a little scary at times. One of the things that happens when you have a lot of stress is you have a stress hormone called cortisol that just goes surging through your body. And when that cortisol is coursing through your veins and going through all your systems, it is depleting your body of vital nutrients. Excuse me. And one of those vital nutrients is magnesium. Now, some of you may recognize magnesium, excuse me, from milk of magnesia. So yeah, there are times when it can be used to help keep your bowels moving or get your bowels moving. But that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about enough magnesium to allow your cells to function properly. So, magnesium has a very important role when it comes to muscles in the body, especially the heart. If your magnesium level is too low, it can cause an arrhythmia, which is an irregular heart rate, regular heartbeat, and it can even cause death. I mean, your heart can stop because it's not getting the right balance of vitamins, minerals. It's not getting the right chemistry with the blood that's going through it. So magnesium is very important in that arena. It is one of those tests that are frequently done if someone is having heart trouble, because that's an easy fix, really. You can just give them an infusion of magnesium, and it can quickly change things from a bad situation to a better situation. Magnesium also is involved in brain function. So the neurotransmitters that send the signals between the brains in your cells, the brains in your nerves, the brain cells in your nerves, they require that magnesium too in order to effectively get from point A to point B so that your body can do what it's supposed to do. Sometimes if people are deficient in magnesium, they can act a little strangely, or they might not be able to move, or they might not be able to do something that they had been doing that involves their muscles. Or they could also start having what we call tics, just little, twitches that can happen. And if you've ever experienced leg cramps, especially in your calf, that could also be a result of low magnesium levels. So magnesium is helpful in so many ways. There have been studies that have shown that it helps with depression and anxiety and sleep. So oftentimes, if you get a nice little dose of magnesium, or if you get the recommended amount, which is about 200 milligrams, I believe, you might find yourself sleeping better. You might find yourself less stressed. And when you have less stress, your immune system functions better. So anything that can make your immune function better and optimal is a beautiful thing. So there are different ways to get magnesium. You can get it in various foods. or you can take a supplement. Now, I personally love this AgCalm. Okay, this is my go-to, and I have found that when I take it regularly, it really does help. It really does. I am less stressed, and I am also able to sleep better. So you can actually find this on my supplement website. And you can also find this flavor. You can find a non-flavored version, and there are a couple of other flavors that you can find as well. So again, Megcom, it's a beautiful thing, but it really is a very good supplement. So here's the deal. With everybody being stressed out the way they are, and I admit I'm stressed out as well. I've had my moments. And what I want to do for you is if you go to my supplement store, the WellnessRN Apothecary, and that's at wellevate.me/Deborah-Lee-James. If you go to my website and sign up for free for an account where you can peruse the various supplements I have available, I will provide you with a free copy of how to make your own homemade hand sanitizer. And it's not that difficult, but I would like to gift that to you during these difficult times while everybody's searching for that type of item. There are ways to make it for yourself at home. So I want that to be my gift to you for signing up for my supplement shop. And, you have to sign up to get access to everything on the site. But what I can also do is have a free 30-minute consultation and go over some of the problems that you may have and supplements that could help. So this is a difficult time, but it's also a time to be generous and to be mindful and to be kind to each other. And I want you to be kind to yourself. So again, that's wellevate.me/Deborah-Lee-James. And let me know what you think. As soon as I find that you have signed up for a free account, I will send you the hand sanitizer recipe. Stay safe, keep doing that social distancing, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.